Michael, can you tell us what this is?
Of course, you see here, these are black chemical weapon over boots. You put these boots over your own boots to protect your feet against chemical weapons. They're made of synthetic butane rubber. What you see here is a medical pack that our health and safety specialists, when they go on missions, if there's no medical attention available, they will take their own medical medications with them. What you see here are two different types of respirators, not gas masks but respirators, that's the right word. This is the FM12 and this is the C50. Both protect themselves against chemical agents, and you see there's a canister here because we use negative pressure, so when you breathe the contaminant comes through the canister and gets filtered with activated carbon.
So what's the difference?
The difference, this is an old type and this is a new type, but they do the same job.
Okay.
You see here, these are for collecting samples, soil samples. We'll take a soil sample with this little shovel here, and then we'll put it in this container, and that goes into a special container that can be sent out to other countries. What you see here is a training suit. Green suits are training suits for us, because these suits breathe. They're called air permeable suits. The green ones have no activated carbon inside, so they're cheaper. So we train only with simulants, not real agents with these suits. If you go to train with real suits, and the blue suits, that's these. These are real. These have got activated carbon in. You'll see here also in Norwegian. And for the teachers have always orange suits. Because if we're training for live agent with real chemical weapons, we've got to know who the teachers are and who the students are. And when we go on mission, we always choose this colour, because it's like a UN colour.
And what is this?
This is a monitor. This gives you an indication of contamination. So with this type of monitors, you've got 4 types of chemical weapons. You've got nerve agents, Tabon, Sarin, Somon, VX. You've got blister agents, mustard and Lewisite. You've got choking agents such as phosgene and chlorine, and you've got blood poison agents such as cyanide. This will give you an indication of blister agents and nerve agents.
And what is this?
This are examples of auto-injectors. So if I wanted to auto-inject myself, if I was contaminated with nerve agent, this is atropine. The large ones are atropine obidoxine. So if I get contaminated and I can't do anything, my colleague would take my auto-injector, pull it back like that, and auto-inject himself in the largest muscle in your body, which is your thigh muscle. So go like that. And leave it in for 10 seconds. And then pull it out. This is atropine, it's an antidote. The needle is about that long. Why do you think the needle is that long?
Because you have to go straight into the leg?
Yeah, and go straight through the protection clothing as well. Excellent. You're the first journalist to give me the right answer.
And what is this?
This is SCBA, self-contained breathing apparatus. This is if you're wearing the yellow suit, this one there. This is completely airtight and gas tight, so nothing comes in, but nothing goes out. So you have to take your own air supply with you. Right. And you see this cylinder here? That is a supply of air. You've got 9 litres of air, and it's compressed to 300 bars. An average person would breathe 40 breaths a minute. So there is a calculation. 300 times 9 divided by 40. And that is 67.5 minutes. So you've got 67.5 minutes of air using this piece of apparatus here. But that's not your working time, because you've got to walk to the contaminated area. You will be breathing a lot harder through the contaminated area. So maybe you'll only have 20 minutes of working time, because once you go out the contaminated with this, you have to be decontaminated. It means you've got to be cleaned. So what we do with the OPCW, one shift will go in for 20 minutes or 15 minutes, come out, and the next shift will go in. We'll rotate like that.
I saw this box over here. What's it?
This is for transporting samples. If we take samples from a site from chemical weapons, what we would do, we would put it in this kind of box here. This box is wood. It's got a choke and a layer like that, and then it's got a stainless steel inside. And in that stainless steel inside, you've got a plastic tube. then you put it in a plastic bag, then you put the vial in the plastic bag. And this is full with activated carbon. So if it does leak, it never goes outside this box.
And we can move over here.
Yeah. This is also a similar instrument to the small one there. This is the CAM, chemical agent monitor. This will monitor for nerve and blister agents.
Thank you.